Everyone, I'll just demonstrate Terravis, the voice-based GIS system. We have integrated OSM with OpenLayers. We can have Indian maps, Indian data as well from Bhuvan or Bunidhi. In the top, we have a nav bar where we have basic search. We search for the locations and it will zoom on to them. Then we have a layer section which will show all the layers which are being rendered by OpenLayers. Then we have a measurement section which will just uh, take measurements from a few points and calculate them. Yeah, can have a few. So I have an undo button which will just undo the last one, and I also have a delete button which will clear all the measurements. Same thing we have for markers. We can have a few markers over here and there, and we can undo them or clear all of them. On the downside, we have a footer which will show the number of like the tiles, how much tiles are loaded. If I zoom out, it will just keep on loading. Also, we have ASR transcription over here, like whatever voice commands which will be transcribed, the transcription will be shown over here, and the transcribed action will be shown here. Like what was the last command executed. We also have latitude and longitudes with like the cursor longitudes which will be shown over there. We have a few zoom in and zoom out buttons, and finally the mic button, which is also triggered by the spacebar for ease of accessibility. So one more thing, we have settings over here where we have live voice, which will mean that like for now I can just start the mic, say something and stop it. It will consider it as a single command. But for live voice, it will keep on scanning the audio for real time, and it will, as soon as it gets something, it will convert it into a command and execute it. Like we don't have to stop mic and start mic. And for the AI type, we have two, which is LLM, where we use a local model. It is highly accurate, but it takes some time, at least 4 to 5 seconds. Whereas for our custom NLP pipeline, it takes a few milliseconds and we're good to go. So yeah, that was the introduction, and we'll see some demonstration. Can you zoom a bit? Zoom more? Zoom out a bit? Or zoom on Mumbai? Yeah, thank you. Start measuring. Remove the last measurement. Clear all the measurements. Return to normal map interactions now. Let's add location markers on map now. Remove the last marker. Good. Um, Clear all the markers now. Yeah. Stop the addition marker. Okay, so let us test the layers. So we have a couple of layers now, which are the search results, the measurement layer, and the markers. Okay. So if I say hide the markers, it hid the markers. Now let us ask him to show it. Show the markers. Yeah, it works in the way. So we can add a couple of more layers. It could be highways, roadways, which are expected. So we can just add the functionality for them, and we can operate them with via voice. Yeah. Hide the search results. Hide the search results. As you can see, the last one was add the search results. So it's not quite accurate, but yeah, it works. Show the search results. Yeah, it works. Thank you. So this was it for Terravis.